Hello everyone. Today I would be talking about a new feature called SKU level and product level minimum order quantity. So, minimum order quantity is something that is very highly used in B2B or wholesale business because the sellers need to configure the minimum amount that they want the buyers to purchase. So to configure the setting on your seller portal, you can log into your foundation B2B portal and navigate to the product section. You can select the product for which you need to configure these settings and navigate to the pricing tab. Here you would see a new section called MOQ. MOQ is the minimum order quantity that a buyer must purchase for each SKU for a successful checkout. So let's talk about this product. And for this particular SKU, let's say the MOQ is 5 units. You can set it up for each SKU or you can just quickly apply to the entire column. You can also configure the MOQ separately for different price lists. So let's say you have two different set of customers and you have different requirements for those customers. So you can set it up differently for each price list as well. Similarly, we also have product level MOQ, and product level MOQ is the minimum total quantity that needs to be purchased across the combination of this product's variants. So let's say we set up the minimum order quantity to be 40 units. So the buyer or the customer needs to mix and match the SKUs under this product or the variants of this product to reach the minimum requirement of 40 units. Once you have configured these settings, you can save the product. And now let's look at how this looks from the buyer's perspective. Once the buyer is on the storefront and they navigate to this product, they can see the minimum order quantity for this particular product. So this is the number of SKUs that they need to add to cart for a successful checkout. When they hit add to cart button, they automatically see that 5 units have been added and they can't go lower than five. Let's say they try to go below five, they won't be able to do that because the minimum order quantity for this particular SKU is 5 units. Similarly, they also see the product MOQ on the top, wherein they would be able to see the minimum number of units that they need to purchase for this particular product, which is 40 in this case, and the number of units that they have added to the cart already, which is 10 units here. Now, let's see how it looks in the cart. Here, since they have not met the minimum order quantity for this particular product, they will not be able to check out. So, how can they check out? They need to add at least that number of units or meet the requirements of the product MOQ to be able to successfully check out. So once they have done that, the progress bar also changes its color to green, suggesting that uh, the product MOQ requirements have been met for this particular product, and now they would be able to successfully check out. So that is how product MOQ and SKU MOQ works on Foundation B2B. Thank you.